Guys, it works like magic. It works. I'm so excited. You all are sleeping on this hack. You all are sleeping on this trick. Okay, in this video, I'll be putting you through if you know that your videos have stopped generating views. Those your videos that you spent so much time, so much energy creating, and all of a sudden they just stopped generating views. The views just stopped coming. Their engagement just went from this to this. Guys, I have a solution for you to revive that video from what? The land of the dead. Because any video that is not performing well in 2024, going to 2025, no, we are not going to take it. We are going to what? Push the video. This is AKA algorithm what? Push our videos, but we are going to be helping the algorithm this time. So we are going to be using a screen record for this illustration. But before we dive into the screen record, please, if this is a video that you would love to see, would love to watch, please kindly give it a huge thumbs up, share it on the notification button, and subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever we post a new content. So before we dive right into the screen record for this hack that I just found out is working like magic. My views that was, I think it was 20 something as of few weeks back. Guys, look at this video. This video has given me close to 300 views because I just tried this trick. I saw it in someone else's channel. The person was, talking about it, and I was like, let me give it a try. And guys, it's working. It is working. Do not sleep on it. And some of us don't really know how important these things are. YouTube have made everything easy for us, but just as some of us, especially the new YouTubers that are starting out on YouTube, they don't really know the left from the right. But be sure we are going to always give you what value for your time. Okay, for always coming back to watch us. We'll always drop new information, new update for you to succeed on the street of YouTube. Okay, nobody is going to be left out, especially the new content creators. Okay, so let's dive right into it and revive that video. Here, the title of your video could actually make or break a particular video. Now, if your video has stopped performing, stopped having views, you may want to check the title of that particular video. You can retitle that video, go as far as using vidIQ to give you the right recommendations for title of that video. You can redo the SEO of that video so YouTube can understand that this video is for this particular set of people, because when your SEO is not doing enough for your video, YouTube is going to be pushing your video to audience that doesn't really need to see your video, that don't want to see your video. So you need to make sure that the titling and the SEO optimization of that video is in check. Okay, you can use vidIQ. As I said earlier, vidIQ is going to really help you. It's not like you're going to take everything. You can tweak it, you get inspiration. You can even go to vidIQ, type that topic and see people that are using that same topic, search for channels that are teaching on that particular topic and see the way they are titling their video that is related to yours, and know how to tweak it, get inspiration from here and there, and boom, you are going to be having a nice title that only you might be ranking number 1 for. That is if you use the search engine optimization very, very well.
Next thing you want to be talking about is your thumbnail. Make sure your thumbnail it's doing justice to that video content. Okay, that message that video is carrying. If your thumbnail is not doing justice and your thumbnail is not in in pari passu with your title, then there's something wrong. Okay, maybe that is why your video suddenly stopped having views. Make sure your thumbnail is in check. And we all are sleeping on this thumbnail game. Imagine YouTube has given us this test and compare feature and we are not using it. What I will usually do is, when you go to YouTube Studio to upload a video, even when you've already uploaded that video, you can go back to YouTube Studio and change a thumbnail of that particular video. Yes, you can change a thumbnail. Initially, when you've not uploaded that video to go public, you can use the test and compare. You can add up to 3 thumbnails, and the one that is performing well, YouTube is going to make it the original thumbnail for that particular video. But if you're in doubt, if you're not sure which thumbnail can resonate well, can get more click-through rates, can get more click, you can use the test and compare feature. The only thing is that it can take time for the test to come to a conclusion and for there to be a winner from the 3 thumbnails. But before then, there is a thumbnail that is going to be showing, and even when you are not certain that you want to use that thumbnail anymore, you can still go to your YouTube studio and change that thumbnail to the one you want to use. Let me show you where you can find this test and compare on your YouTube studio. When you get to your YouTube studio, just type go to Google, type YouTube Studio desktop version. That's if you're using your mobile phone. Click on that particular video. All right, when you click on that video, it's the video you want to change the thumbnail and title. Click on it, then you can scroll down. When you scroll down, that place you see the thumbnail, yeah, that is where you are going to be changing the thumbnail. All right, just click on that three dotted arrow there. It's going to give you the option to change thumbnail or delete thumbnail and all that. So now you just change this thumbnail to the one you've already created with your Canva or your CapCut, anyone. Just import it, and it's going to replace the original thumbnail seamlessly. And guess what? When people see that video again, it's going to look like a new video to them, and they want to click, yeah, because they have not seen that thumbnail and that title is now different. They don't even know that it's even the same content that they neglected previously, but they are going to be forced to click on it because now they resonate. They feel like, yes, this is what I would like to watch. The titling and the thumbnail speaks to me. I want to watch this particular video. And guess what? That video will start having views. And when that video start having views, YouTube will be like, what hold up, something is happening here. It's going to revive that video. That video will start having a lot of visibility, a lot of engagement, and a lot of reach. So, and even the click-through rate of that video will change. Everything, even as far as how much that video made or how much that video is going to make in future. Let me say that video had 0.93 cents as its CPM for per 1,000 views. When that video starts having visibility, before you know, that video might increase from 0.93 cents to 1 point or even 2 points in most cases, and even go higher depending how far that video goes. So please do not sleep on this, because my goodness, it works. It freaking works. Don't sleep on this, fam. This is a life changer. This is a life changer. All you new YouTubers that are struggling with your views, just coming in, you post a video and in 2 days the video just stopped having views, or in 3 days the video just stopped having views. This is what you are going to do. All right, so the third one we are going to be talking about is the setting where you're going to do what? Change your For You. Understand what your viewers are going to see, your returning viewers are going to see, your new subscribers are going to see. So in this settings, I'm going to take you back to YouTube Studio to show you what I'm talking about. All right, this is another trick. Okay, you just go and change the video. Normally they will say, okay, make sure this video is the video that is your best performing video, that is always up here for your new viewers or subscribers to always see when they come into your channel. But I think that when you do it the other way, maybe you put the least performing video there and you test it. It's your channel. You can test run it and see how it goes. Trust me, I think the more people come to visit your channel, that video is going to be the first video they are going to see. It can go wrong. Trust me, it can go wrong. But if it doesn't go wrong, it's going to go definitely right, and it's going to go right for the right reasons. All right, so that video that isn't doing well is going to be the video that they are going to see immediately they come into your channel. So make it the first video. Okay, I didn't say it should be the trailer video, but if you want it to be the trailer video, then why not? By all pleasure. As I said, this is your channel. You can play with it, you can play around it and see which works for you. No channel is static, okay? And nothing about YouTube is static. What works for this person can also work for you, and what works for this person may not work for you. So make sure that you're playing around, but when it comes to turning on and off setting, be careful. But this is not actually a setting. This is an experiment you're doing on your channel to make sure that a video that has already been sentenced to life imprisonment if you understand what I mean, we'll change that sentence, because that stumbling block that is holding that video down, we are going to push and crossover. Guess what? That video will start making a lot of views for you, and bringing a lot of subscribers for that channel. Okay, so without further ado, I hope I've been able to explain to the best of my ability the trick, the hack you need to implement right now. Immediately you finish watching this video, go and do it, then come back and watch the next video, because it's going to be giving you a lot of value just as you've gotten from this one. So see you on the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notification so you get notified when we post a new content for you to see. See you on the next one, where I'll be sharing amazing tips and tricks for you to go viral. I love you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.